Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to install the YouTube Create app. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your Apple Store or Play Store. Once you get there, you click on the search bar, search for YouTube Creator. So this is down here. You simply need to click on install now. So you simply need to wait for a while. Once installation is complete, you simply click on what open. After which you simply need to sign in. So we are going to click on what sign in. So you simply choose your account. So guys, we are there. So you can now import a video and start doing your editing. So click on import. So guys, that's it. You can start by beginning your editing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.